Hey guys, how's it going? This is Eddie from Tier 0 Support. Today I have an interesting video because it's happening on my personal machine. So I thought, what better opportunity but to basically help you guys if you ever encounter this error message within Windows whenever you're trying to do an update. Sometimes the updates get stuck or get corrupted somehow. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you could essentially delete the cached files and then have Windows re-download the files fresh from the servers, the update servers, so then you can manually reapply that update. So here you can see like I'm having an error trying to install the 20H2 update. So I'm going to show you guys what we usually do in the IT world if you ever run into this. So what you want to do is open up your Windows Explorer. I usually do it using the hotkey commands, and then we're going to go over to the C drive. We're going to go to Windows, then go down to Software Distribution. Let's open up Services. So you want to go down here and type in Services and then run it as an administrator, so you can go ahead and restart service. And the service we're looking for is called Windows Update Service. So here it is, and it says that it's running. We're going to stop this. Once this is stopped, then we can go ahead and delete the download folder. And the way that I do a permanent delete without having to go to the recycling bin is by holding down the shift key on your keyboard and then hitting the delete key, and that will actually permanently delete any file that you have highlighted. So I go ahead and click on yes. It's going to prompt me for admin, and I am admin on this computer, so it goes through. Once this is deleted, you can go ahead and start the service again. We can go back and then retry this update. And then since it's deleted, it's going to go ahead and try to pull it from the server again, and it should go through the second time. If this gets stuck in loading, we can go ahead and restart the computer. So here it says that we could install, but that's because it can't even find the files anymore. So let's go ahead and manually download and install again. Alright, as you can see, it's finished downloading, deleting basically the cached files that are already downloaded to your computer. It basically allows us to re-download and reinstall that update that failed. But yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video just to show you guys that even if you get like a Windows Update error, you can go ahead and clear out the downloaded files and then force it to re-download those files, and it should go through. Alright. Again, this was Eddie from Tier 0 Support. Go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and thank you for your view, okay?